We're Designing Spaces, the show that's all about you and your space, your home and surroundings. I'm Debbie Murray.
And I'm David Jones. On Designing Spaces, we take a look at all aspects of your home and property, including lifestyle. So there's plenty to interest homeowners everywhere.
So stick around and see it all right here on Designing Spaces.
New building materials are giving options like never before. For example, exterior siding. An innovative new siding material could be in your home's future. Coming up here on Designing Spaces.
Color, texture, working around brick and stone, these are all important considerations when giving the outside of your house a facelift. Now, new building materials are giving us options like never before. For example, exterior siding. An innovative siding material could be in your home's future. Now, to walk us through this renovation is Jennifer Jenkins, the siding product manager for LP Building Products. Hi, Jennifer.
Hi there.
It's great to have you back on Designing Spaces.
Thank you so much.
You have us out here on beautiful Lake Minnetonka in Minnesota to see a siding renovation project that's going to give this home a new, fresh look on the exterior. Now, this side has not been re-sided yet, so what's the plan for what we see here?
This is a beautiful lakefront home, and the homeowner is looking to replace the existing cedar wood siding that's been on the home really since it was built in the early 1990s. They were looking for a product that doesn't require the heavy maintenance and frequent upkeep that cedar siding can require over time. So finding that combination of both beauty and lower maintenance while still taking into consideration the natural surroundings is very important to this homeowner. And they know that a quality re-side can be a great return on investment when it comes to home improvement value.
Right.
The plan is they're going to take off all of the existing siding, replace it with lap, trim, soffit, fascia, and even add some decorative accents to the front.
And installation has already started on the other side of the house. Can we go take a look?
Let's do it. Come on this way.
So this is not traditional vinyl or fiber cement siding, is it?
No, it's not. This is LP SmartSide trim and siding from LP Building Products. SmartSide's designed to give homes the warm, natural look of real cedar while providing the strength, protection, and performance that homes require against rot, decay, and even termites. And it's beautiful. It's available in either cedar, wood grain, or smooth textures, and is the perfect complement to other design elements like brick, stone, or even stucco.
But it's not actually wood, right?
Let's take a closer look. Follow me.
Okay.
So this is the actual LP SmartSide that they're working with.
Okay.
It works like wood, it cuts like wood, it installs like wood, but because it's treated and engineered, it makes it very consistent. That consistency means less waste on a job site. It can mean a more stable product on the side of the home. And because it comes in 16-foot lengths, there are actually fewer seams on the side of the home at the end. And it's light and relatively easy to work with for the contractors.
Okay.
Now, the engineering process makes it very tough. And when I say tough, I mean tough.
How tough?
Should we put it to the test?
Yeah.
All right, let's do it. So here we have a traditional fiber cement product installed next to some SmartSide. Now, I talked to you about toughness. If this hammer represented, say, hail or windblown debris, let's take a look at what might happen to the fiber cement if it got hit. Take a look. Go ahead and hit it.
Are you sure?
Go for it.
Okay. Here goes. Wow.
So
Made a big hole.
it does leave a hole. Why don't we try the same thing on the LP SmartSide?
Okay. Stand back.
Go ahead and hit it again.
Okay.
So,
Wow, that held up great.
yeah, when I say durability and toughness, that's what we're talking about.
That's impressive. What are some of the colors and profiles available?
The strength and versatility of engineered wood allow LP to produce a wide variety of both single and multi-lap products, as well as panel, trim, soffit, fascia, shake, and even solutions for stucco finish. As far as color goes, homeowners have a variety of options. They can either have it installed primed and have it painted on their home, or they can find it pre-finished in their market and in some cases even come up with their own custom color.
So whether smooth or textured like wood, you can work with a color palette to complement even other materials like stone or brick. Can you tell us a little bit more about that? Maybe some tips for the designer inside all of us?
Absolutely. Why don't we go around to the front where the project's complete and we'll talk about it there.
Okay. This looks great, and it's obvious that the homeowner really knew what they were going for here.
Yeah, they really did. They had to take into consideration the overall aesthetics, the colors, the textures, and all that they were trying to achieve to complement the look of their home. On some large projects, homeowners may decide to work with a designer or an architect to bring out the character, but most homeowners can just work with their contractor and remodeler to take a look at what their design options are. Some things for them to consider would be the age and architectural style of the home and the surrounding areas, some of the existing design elements that are already there, like brick or stone, and an opportunity to add any other details or variation in the gable areas or along the roof lines. But most of all, you want the homeowner to make sure that that home is a true reflection of their own personal style.
Right. Now, when this house is finished, it's going to be something the homeowners are so proud of. But up here on a hill by the lake, it's going to be exposed to some pretty severe weather.
You're absolutely right. Today is a beautiful summer day, but in the winter months, this is a very brutal area. But the homeowners know and the builder knows that LP SmartSide has been proven over time to stand up to some of the most extreme climate conditions. Whether it be hail or a daily freeze-thaw cycle, SmartSide performs as well or better than some other siding products out there.
Wow, that's impressive.
And we know this because we've been testing SmartSide for over 15 years in Hilo, Hawaii, where there's high rainfall, moisture, humidity, and an aggressive Formosan termite. So we know that we can back this siding product with an industry-leading 550 warranty.
Wow, that's really reassuring.
Absolutely. We'd like homeowners and builders alike to feel very reassured and confident in their choice with LP SmartSide.
So earlier you mentioned decay and termite resistance. Can you explain?
Certainly. It really all comes down to LP's proprietary SmartGuard manufacturing process. What that means is we add a zinc borate additive, which prohibits rot, decay, and any termite damage, as well as exterior-grade resins, which give the product that toughness and durability, and a factory-primed and applied overlay, which make it beautiful on the home and add to that curb appeal. And all of these elements work together to make it last for years and years. In fact, you may be interested to know that SmartSide has been installed on over 3 million homes without a single claim for decay or termite damage.
So if I'm a homeowner looking to remodel my home using LP SmartSide siding and trim, where do I go?
As a homeowner, the best place to start would be with your remodeler or builder. They can give you the information and samples you need to make a choice. Plus, LP SmartSide Trim and Siding is also at retail locations or your local lumberyard.
And is there a website our viewers can go to check it out for themselves?
They can go to lpcorp.com, where there's an entire section dedicated to LP SmartSide Trim and Siding, as well as a gallery of ideas that may inspire them to increase their own curb appeal.
And we'll have a link to that site at designingspaces.tv, where you can watch this section of the show again just by clicking on the video link. Jennifer, thanks for introducing us to a durable, versatile material that gives our homes new personality and increases our curb appeal.
It was our pleasure. Thank you for having us.
Out on Lake Minnetonka in Minnesota, I'm Janelle Kidd.
Okay, we are out of time, but we have more coming up for you next week. I'm David Jones.
And I'm Debbie Marie. So we'll see you next week right here on Designing Spaces. Bye for now. You can visit these websites to learn more about the participants on this edition of Designing Spaces.